You want to change your life, but you don't move. You dream big, but act small. You wake up full of intention, yet every night ends with the same sentence. Tomorrow I'll start. You're not lazy, you're lost. You confuse motion with meaning. You chase the feeling of progress instead of progress itself. Every scroll, every distraction, every little comfort gives you a false sense of achievement while your dreams quietly die in the background. Ambition without direction is chaos. You have the fire but no focus, and that's why you burn out before you begin. You think discipline is about doing more, but it's about doing less noise, less talking, less explaining, more acting. The ambitious but lazy mind doesn't lack power, it leaks it. Every later becomes a lifetime. Laziness isn't the absence of will, it's the addiction to comfort disguised as logic. You justify inaction by calling it preparation. You study plans, watch videos, wait for inspiration. But the truth is simple. Nothing changes until you do. Action is the cure. Always. Michel de Montaigne once wrote, "A man who fears suffering already suffers from what he fears." You suffer not because you fail, but because you never begin. You fear effort, rejection, embarrassment, but these are the ingredients of transformation. The ones who win aren't the most talented. They're the ones who stopped waiting to feel ready. You want to build something? Then move. Write the first line. Open the book. Make the call. Your hesitation is killing you faster than any mistake could. The lazy, ambitious person wants perfection before motion, but discipline is born from imperfection. You start ugly, fail, learn, adapt. That's the cycle. No one respects endless preparation. The world moves for those who move. There's a reason every philosopher, from Nietzsche to Marcus Aurelius, spoke of action as the highest virtue. Thought without movement is decay. Discipline isn't a mood, it's a muscle. You train it through repetition, through the small, invisible choices no one praises. Get up when it's dark. Do the work when no one's watching. Refuse to negotiate with your emotions. Every time you act while the mind resists, you win another inch of freedom. Freedom doesn't come from money, fame, or status. It comes from self-command. The man who conquers himself needs no applause. Stop chasing motivation. Motivation is emotion. It comes and goes like weather. What you need is a system, a structure, a rhythm that doesn't care how you feel. Wake, work, reflect, repeat. You'll hate it at first, but over time, pain becomes clarity. You'll see your distractions for what they are, traps. Every comfort has a cost. Every easy choice steals a piece of your future. Laziness is seductive because it gives peace now and pain later. Discipline reverses it, pain now, peace later. Choose your suffering wisely. The ambitious and lazy live in contradiction. They crave greatness, but protect comfort. You can't serve two masters. Either you chase comfort and kill growth, or you chase growth and kill excuses. The path is narrow, lonely, and quiet, but so is every mountain trail before the sunrise. If you want to rise, walk it. No one's coming to save you. You're the project. You're the plan. You're the unfinished story. Start the next chapter. Discipline is built in silence, not applause. Kill distractions. Respect the process. Become the kind of person who does what he says. Then watch your life transform slowly, painfully, permanently. Because the truth is simple. When you stop waiting to feel ready, you stop being lazy. You stop being lost. You become who you are meant to be.